Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jhalisa John, and if you're watching this video, then you must be an insurance agent who's interested in learning how to use social media networks like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn to get more clients and sales. Now, it's no secret that most people tend to avoid insurance agents at all costs. There's a certain stigma, and a negative one by that, attached to persons who sell insurance. Most people tend to view insurance agents as pushy, sleazy, salesy, dishonest, boring, among other things. And personally, I am rarely ever interested by any of the content I see insurance agents share online, and I also find insurance commercials to be very gimmicky. But recently, I had the chance to see State Farm's new commercial featuring Drake, and I thought it was just brilliant. And I think there are a lot of lessons that insurance agencies, agents, and other businesses as well can learn from that commercial. And I want to talk about the major lesson or the key takeaway from that commercial, and that's how to create relevance by hacking culture. Now, the reason State Farm chose someone like Drake to be in their first ever Super Bowl commercial is because they're targeting a new demographic of consumers, and that is us, millennials. And if we know anything about millennials, it's that we have short attention spans, we are very skilled at tuning out advertisements, and we love music. Why do you think TikTok is so popular? So if you want to win the hearts, minds, and wallets of millennials, then you have to understand the culture that influences us. When you understand the culture, you can then create content that gets our attention and makes us listen to what you have to say. So I want to share 3 tips for insurance agents that will help them hack culture and essentially rise above the noise on social media and get millennials' attention, right? My first tip would be to embrace not just social media, but social media trends, right? For instance, you could create a TikTok account, and I'm not telling you to dance, but you can use popular music in the background of your videos and then put an insurance spin on everything that you're doing, right? My second tip would be to think outside of the box. Basically, look at what every other insurance agent is doing and then do the opposite of that. Do what no one else is doing. Fill in the gaps, right? And then third, my final tip would be to show people that you're human. Show people the fun, cool, hip side of you, right? Show people that you're up to date on the latest things that are happening in pop culture. You know, there's this saying that people buy from people they know, like, and trust, and I know you've probably heard that millions of times, but it's because it's true. If you do that, your content will get a lot more engagement, which would then lead to a positive uptick in people reaching out to you to ask you questions about insurance, which will then lead to more potential clients coming into your funnel, and then a percentage of them would actually turn into clients and customers and increase sales for you. So if your content feels like a lecture basically, then expect millennials like myself to tune you out. I think State Farm really knew what they were doing by leveraging a pop icon like Drake to be in their ad, because it gets our attention first. Remember, consumers nowadays get between 5,000 to 10,000 promotional messages from different companies. So you have to find a way to make yours stand out among the noise and essentially rise above that noise. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I want to know, have you guys seen that State Farm commercial? What did you think about it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? And also follow me on Instagram, because I post my best social media marketing tips on there first, even before I put it up on YouTube. So definitely follow me on Instagram. It will be linked in the description down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.